Next example on chi-square test. Two research workers classified some people in income groups on the basis of sampling studies. Their results are as follows. These are the income groups: poor, middle, rich. These are two investigators, A and B, and this is the result of their investigation. We have to test the similarity of sampling techniques adopted by investigators A and B at 5% level of significance. It means that we have to test if they have adopted the same method or the methods are different. Okay, the null hypothesis would be sampling techniques adopted by investigators do not differ, and the alternative hypothesis would be sampling techniques adopted by investigators differ. Now let us calculate the expected frequencies. E11, it is first expected frequency. For finding E11 we have formula R1 into C1 divided by grand total. R1 stands for first row total, it is 200. C1 stands for first column total, 300, divided by grand total, it is final total, 500. E12, R1 into C2 divided by grand total. R1 first row total 200, second column total 150, divided by grand total 500. E13, R1 into C3 divided by grand total. First row total 200, third column total it is 50, divided by 500. E21, R2 into C1 divided by grand total. R2 second row total 300, C1 first column total 300, divided by grand total 500. E22, R2 into C2 divided by grand total. Second row total 300, second column total 150, divided by grand total 500. And last one, E23, R2 into C3 divided by grand total. R2 second row total 300, third column total 50, divided by 500. We will have the values. We will have these values. E11 it is 120, E12 60, E13 20, E21 180, E22 90, and E23 30. Calculation of chi-square table. In this table we have values: O observed frequencies, E expected frequencies, difference between observed frequency and expected frequency, square of difference, and square divided by E. We have these observed frequencies. We have calculated these expected frequencies. This is the difference between these two frequencies, difference square, and difference square divided by values of E. After doing this calculation, we have calculated summation of O minus E bracket square divided by E. It is total of this column and it is 55.54. So summation of O minus E bracket square upon E, it is the calculated value of chi-square. So calculated value of chi-square is 55.54. Okay. Now we require to calculate this value to the table value of chi-square. That's why first calculate degree of freedom. The degree of freedom, it is denoted by alpha and it has formula C minus 1 into R minus 1. C stands for number of columns and R stands for number of rows. In our example, we have given 3 columns and 2 rows. So C is 3 here and R is 2 here. By putting these values in the formula, we will have alpha is equal to 2. It means that the table value of chi-square at 2 degree of freedom and 5% level of significance is 5.991. So here calculated value of chi-square is greater than the table value of chi-square. Calculated value is 55.54 and table value is 5.99. So it is clearly shows that calculated value of chi-square is greater than table value of chi-square. It means that null hypothesis is rejected and alternative hypothesis is accepted. So we are accepting alternative hypothesis. Therefore, it is concluded that the sampling techniques adopted by two investigators differ. On the basis of information given below about the treatment of 200 patients suffering from a disease, state whether the new treatment is comparatively superior to the conventional treatment. In this case, number of patients are given with two responses, favorable response and not favorable response, and these are the two types of treatments, new treatment and conventional. Conventional means traditional treatment. This is the data of this treatment, and we have to test the chi-square at 5% level of significance, and we have to test that which treatment is useful, either new or conventional. In this case, we have not given total, so our first step will be to find the total of rows and to find the total of columns. So let us find the total of rows and total of columns first. So we have calculated the total. The total of first row it is 80. The total of second row it is 120. Total of first column it is 130. Total of second column is 70, and grand total means final total is 200. Now set the null hypothesis and alternative hypothesis. The null hypothesis would be the new treatment is comparatively not superior than the conventional treatment, and the alternative hypothesis would be the expected frequencies. Let us calculate expected frequencies. First expected frequency, it is E11. It has formula R1 into C1 divided by grand total. R1 means first row total, it is 80. C1 means first column total, 130 divided by grand total, 200. Next expected frequency E12, R1 into C2 divided by grand total. R1 first row total, it is 80. C2 second column total, it is 70 divided by grand total, 200. E21, R2 into C1 divided by grand total. R2 second row total, 120. C1 first column total, 130 divided by grand total, 200. And last expected frequency E22, it is R2 into C2 divided by grand total. Second row total 120, second column total 70 divided by 200. So we will have these expected frequencies. Calculate kilometer. These are the expected frequencies: E11 52, E12 28, E21 78, E22 42. In chi-square table, we have columns: observed frequencies, expected frequencies, the difference between observed frequency and expected frequency, the difference square, and difference square divided by the values of E. We have given observed frequencies, we have calculated expected frequencies. According to this data, we have summation of O minus C bracket square divided by E is 5.85. It means that calculated value of chi-square is 5.85. We require to compare this value with table value of chi-square. That's why we require to find degree of freedom. So first find degree of freedom. Degree of freedom, it is denoted by alpha. It has formula C minus 1 into R minus 1. C stands for number of columns and R stands for number of rows. In our example, we have given 2 columns, so C is 2 here, and 2 rows, so R is 2 here. So 2 minus 1 into 2 minus 1, it is 1 into 1, 1. So alpha is 1 here. So table value of chi-square at 1 degree of freedom and 5% level of significance, it is 3.84. So now by comparing these two values, means by comparing calculated value of chi-square and table value of chi-square, it is clear that calculated value of chi-square is greater than the table value of chi-square. It means that null hypothesis is rejected and the alternative hypothesis is accepted. Conclude that new treatment is comparatively superior than the conventional treatment.